Here's an audio demo showing how enterprises can achieve significant value by using AI to help train their call center agents, which allows the trainees to practice with fictitious customers on live calls. This is using the advanced voice capability and the Realtime API using Azure OpenAI's GPT-4 model. Here we go. Thank you for calling the telco company. My name is Walter White. Can I have your name, please?
This is Gustavo Fring. I'm calling about my cell phone bill, which is inexplicably high this month. I need an explanation immediately.
Sure, I'd be happy to look into that for you, Mr. Fring. Thank you for validating yourself through our automated system. Give me one moment to have a look into your bill. And okay, it looks like you incurred some roaming charges when you were overseas in Lebanon, and that seems to be the major cost difference in your bill this month.
This is absurd. I was assured that my plan covered international calls. I refuse to pay these charges. What kind of operation are you running here?
Yeah, I can certainly understand how this can be frustrating, Mr. Fring. It doesn't look like you have the international plan. However, we can sign you up for that plan, which wouldn't incur any roaming charges in the future. Is that something you'd like to enroll in?
This is unacceptable. I don't want another plan. I want these charges removed. Your company made a mistake, and I'm not going to pay for it.
I understand, Mr. Fring. I'll tell you what, I'm able to do a one-time courtesy credit of 25% if you enroll in our international plan. Would you like me to do that?
25%? That's ridiculous. You need to do much better than that. I want these charges removed entirely. Let me speak to your supervisor.
Okay, tell you what, Mr. Fring, what I can do for you is I can provide you a 25% credit, even if you do not want to sign up for the international plan. Will that work for you?
This is getting more absurd by the minute. I'm done wasting my time. Get your supervisor on the line, now.
Okay, Mr. Fring, understood. Let me grab my supervisor. Please give me one moment, okay?
Fine, make it quick.
Hello, my name is Jesse Pinkman. I am Walter's supervisor. How can I help you today, Mr. Fring?
Mr. Pinkman, I am extremely dissatisfied with the service I've received. I've been wrongly charged an outrageous amount for roaming while I was in Lebanon. Your agent's solutions have been completely unacceptable. I demand that these charges be removed.
Sure, sorry to hear that, Mr. Fring, and we certainly appreciate your business and want to help you here. So, tell you what
Good.
I can do for you. How about I give you a 50% credit for those charges on your bill? How does that sound?
50% is not acceptable. I was assured my plan covered international calls. I will only accept a full credit for these erroneous charges. It's the least you can do for a loyal customer.
Okay, Mr. Fring. So I just want to clarify, these are not erroneous charges. These do show that you did make several calls, and I have the phone numbers when you were overseas in Lebanon. So here's what I can do for you. I see you've been a customer of ours for over 10 years. So in an effort to want to try to make the situation right, what I can do is I can give you a one-time courtesy credit to refund the full charges. Does that sound good?
Finally, that's more like it. I appreciate you taking responsibility and making this right. Thank you.
Sure thing, Mr. Frank. So I've gone ahead and applied the credit to your account, and you'll see that reflect in a few days. In the future, please make sure to be mindful when calling from outside the country and ensure you have a reliable connection so that you do not incur these roaming charges in the future. Also, we're more than happy to sign you up for an international plan at any time down the road if you change your mind.
I'll consider it. Thank you for resolving this matter. Good
You're
day.
very welcome, Mr. Fring, and we appreciate your business. Thanks for calling the telco company. Goodbye.
Goodbye.